Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming what kind of remote the Skyworth uses, infrared, RF, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi, because the pairing steps differ. Once done, install the Skyworth Remote app or a universal remote app on your phone and insert fresh batteries into the physical remote. Make sure the TV is on the correct input and not muted. Start with a quick power cycle. Unplug the TV for 10 seconds, then plug it back. This clears transient issues and readies the TV for pairing. Next, pair using the method matching your device. If you use the Skyworth or Universal app, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network and run the device scan. Select your TV and follow prompts. If you use a physical remote, put the TV into pairing or learning mode using the model's specific button sequence, often holding power and a designated pairing key. For IR remotes, aim directly at the sensor. For Bluetooth remotes, enable discoverable mode on the TV. Keep patience and repeat the sequence if needed. Finish by testing every function, power, volume, navigation, and smart features to ensure full control. Once done, save any confirmations in the app and secure the remote with fresh batteries. If the remote is unresponsive, reset the remote or remove paired devices from the TV and repeat pairing. Replace batteries if behavior is intermittent. If problems persist, make sure TV and app firmware are updated, and only then consider a factory reset on the TV as a last resort. This often clears lingering pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.